Good day. Example para sa quarter 1, week 7, learning task 1. So, ang instruction is determine the factors of the given polynomial. Gagamit tayo ng tinatawag natin na TAE method. TAE stands for trial and error. Okay, so for number 1, we have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So, paano natin malalaman kung ano yung kanyang mga factors? Since ang degree niya ay 3, nangangahulugan na siya may 3 factors. Again, gagamit tayo ng trial and error. So, iisip lang kayo ng kahit anong polynomial and then i-divide ninyo itong x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 nung naisip ninyo na polynomial. Kapag ang naging remainder ay 0, ibig sabihin yung naisip ninyong polynomial ay factor nitong x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So, kung hindi naman 0 ang magiging remainder, ibig sabihin siya ay hindi factor. Pwede ninyong i-divide ito nung naisip ninyong polynomial either by using the long division method o kaya ay synthetic division. So, say for example, ang naisip ninyong polynomial is x plus 2. Gusto ninyong malaman kung yung bang x plus 2 ay isa sa mga factors nito or isa dun sa 3 factors nito. So, i-divide natin ito by this one using the the synthetic division. So, you have 1, numerical coefficient ng x cubed is 1, numerical coefficient ng 2x squared is 2, numerical coefficient ng negative 5x is negative 5, the constant term. And then, so, equate x plus 2 to 0. You have x plus 2 equals 0 and then find the value of x. You have x equals positive 2. Pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative. So, ang test 0 natin is negative 2. Perform synthetic division. You have bring down 1. And then positive 1 times negative 2. That is negative 2. Dito ang lagay ng sagot. And then positive 2 plus negative 2. That is 0. And then 0 times negative 2, that is 0. Negative 5 plus 0, that is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 2, that is positive 10. And then negative 6 plus positive 10, that is positive 4. So, since the remainder is not equal to 0, according to the factor theorem, yung x plus 2 ay hindi factor ng x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So, isip kayo ng ibang factor. This is trial 1. Yun yung reason kung bakit trial and error ang tawag sa method dahil hindi lahat ng tinatry natin ay factor. So, let us try x minus 2. Let us see kung yung bang x minus 2 ay factor ng x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Synthetic division ulit. So, you have 1, 2, negative 5, negative 6, the constant term. And then, equate x minus 2 to 0. So, you have x minus 2 equals 0. Find the value of x. Negative 2, ilipat sa kabila, magiging positive 2. Ang test 0 natin is positive 2. So, you have bring down 1 and then positive 1 times positive 2, that is positive 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. And then positive 4 times positive 2, that is positive 8. And then negative 5 plus positive 3, sorry. And then positive 3 times positive 2, that is positive 6. Negative 6 plus positive 6, that is 0. So, since the remainder is equal to 0, yung x minus 2 ay factor ng x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So, nakuha na ninyo yung isa dun sa 3 factors nito. And so, ang tawag natin dito is, ito yung numerical coefficients ng times ng first equation. So you have x cubed divided by x is equal to x squared. Ulit ha, that is x cubed divided by x. So yun ay equal to x squared. Sulat natin yung first difference equation. You have 1 times x squared is x squared, and then plus 4x, and then plus 3 equals 0. Ito yung tinatawag natin na first difference equation. And so you have 1, positive 4, positive 3. And then as you can see, yung resulting equation o yung first difference equation ay quadratic equation na. Para mas madali nating makuha kung ano po yung dalawang factors na nakawala. Use factoring method na lamang. Huwag ng synthetic. So you have x squared plus 4x plus 3. I-factor natin yung first difference equation. So, factors ng x squared, you have x times x. And then, ano daw ang factors ng positive 3 na pag pinag-add ay positive 4. So, yun ay positive 3 saka positive 1. Ayan, so, to check if that is correct, positive 3 times positive 1, that is positive 3. And then, positive 3 plus positive 1, that is positive 4. And so nakuha na. So lastly, don't forget the conclusion. Therefore, the factors of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 are, you have the first factor, x minus 2, and then followed by x plus 3, and then x plus 1. Pwede silang magkabali-baliktad. Depende sa kung aling factor ang unang makukuha ninyo. Ayan, so ito yung sagot. Huwag niyo makakalimutan yung conclusion. How to check? I simply have to multiply the factors. Tingnan natin pag ito ay multiply natin dito saka dito. Ang magiging sagot ba ay ito? Okay, for checking, so you have x minus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 1. Ito muna dalawa. So x times x, that is equal to x squared. And then x times positive 3, that is positive 3x. And then negative 2 times x, so that is equal to negative 2x. And then negative 2 times positive 3, that is negative 6. And then times x plus 1. So simplify, combine the like terms muna. You have x squared, 3x minus 2x, that is x, and then minus 6 times x plus 1. So ito naman, multiply natin. You have x times x squared, that is x cubed, and then x times x, so that is x squared, and then x times negative 6, so yun ay negative 6x, and then 1 times x squared, dito na natin itapat. Sorry, so yun ay positive x squared. And then 1 times x, so that is x. 1 times negative 6, that is negative 6. Ayun, combining the like terms, you have x cubed plus x squared. So, if paglapit-lapitin muna natin, so, minus 6x plus x minus 6. So, combine the like terms, you have x cubed, x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. And then, negative 6x plus x is negative 5x minus 6. Tingnan natin kung nag-match ba. So you have x cubed, 2x squared, negative 5x, negative 5x, negative 6, negative 6. Therefore, tama yung tatlong factors na nakuha natin. Again, pwedeng magkabali-baliktad yung kanilang arrangement. Depende sa kung aling factor ang una ninyong makukuha by using the TAE method or known as trial and error method.